Casterman Orff served as a spearhead centurion of the Iron Hands Legion during the Great Crusade and Horus Heresy. Among the most decorated warriors of the Iron Tenth, Casterman achieved much glory in the name of his clan company as an expert tank commander. Chosen to lead the Legion's subjugator armored battalions in the name of the Gorgon, despite incurring grievous injuries to his skull in battle, Casterman rebuilt much of his broken form with cybernetic augmentations. Deployed upon the accursed soil of Istvan V alongside his Primarch Ferrus Manus and the clan company veterans of Averni, Orff piloted his Fellblade super heavy tank, Rashemion, and laid waste to the forces of the Lupercal. Redeployed to lead the Loyalist flanking counterattack within the lighter Sikaran battle tank, Black Sun, Casterman's strategic brilliance for armored warfare, regardless, could not stem the tide of treachery. None know the true fate of this stalwart champion of the Iron Tenth, yet rumors persist that Casterman survived the atrocity of the Dropsite massacre. Said to have abandoned his name and rank, Casterman Orff, though injured in battle, refused to die and fought on for the remainder of the Great Civil War. His unquenchable thirst for vengeance forbidding him to perish, his future deeds have been lost to all Imperial records.